Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to be discussing a big box of yarn. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what I did. It's a big box of yarn. I will say, I hit up the first day of the big Christmas and July sale on BluPrint. I am a BluPrint member, so I get like the free 2-day shipping and things like that. I also got 15% off for being a member, and there was like another coupon code that was available. So it's like 79 balls of yarn, and I paid $100 for it. So not that bad. I mean, I feel bad because I really don't need more stuff. But, so in here, first off, I did get, okay, so I got a lot of kits because there were a couple kits I'd really had my eyes on. Not so much for the pattern, but for the yarn. Partially for the pattern, but yeah, anyway. But first I want to discuss the single skeins that I got. So I got 4 of these. These are fairly small hanks. Verona hand-dyed limited edition by BluPrint. These are 50% alpaca, 25% silk, and 25% linen. They feel even more amazing than I thought they would. These are very much neck safe, no itching. The silk and linen combo with the alpaca, I was very curious to see how that would work up and feel. It is slick, but not satiny. And it is soft, but still feels durable. Kind of what I was hoping for, but you never know. I got a whole bunch, and I'm just going to fly through these because I got 2 of each color. These are Camino Alpaca by BluPrint. They are 65% wool, 20% alpaca, 20% nylon. They are 50 ounces, I believe, or 50 grams, I mean. Yeah. 50 grams, 200 meters, fingering weight. But I got a whole bunch. My cats are going to go nuts with me pulling these out. I got 2 of the colors that I thought I'd use. I've got 2 different ideas in mind for these. So there's a warm tone palette and a cool tone palette that I ordered. Because I was thinking in lines of being able to combine them into 2 separate projects when I ordered it. So there's that. There are lots of options for it, but that was my original concept. Anyway, the other thing I ordered that's in this bag that I set to the side is London Tweed by BluPrint. This is 50% alpaca, 40% wool, and 10% viscose. And how absolutely stunning is that? I think this is another 50 gram ball. I thought I had everything turned and ready to. No, this is a 100 gram ball, 130 meters. I did have everything turned to the right direction, but I mean, how gorgeous. I got 4 of these. Ugh, I've been sitting here talking to my camera now for like an hour and a half. I'm just saying. I filmed my show and tell. And I filmed my unboxing and initial thoughts on the Crochet Society box for this month. So, like, I'm tired. My butt hurts from sitting in the floor. So you have this yarn. This is it's the Sprightly Bulky. And the pattern for this is a basket. We're now to the kits. We're done with the individual yarns. But I really like that color. I think the kit was like $7 after everything. I mean, it's 4 balls of yarn. So I was very happy with that. I don't know the price of most of these. I left my packing invoice downstairs, and I'm not even going to bother to go get it. Oh, Oh, this one I was so excited about. So I actually got the yarn that's in the pattern. So it's 3 balls of it. It's one of the Cloudborns. But I actually bought that yarn specifically for it. How pretty is that? Bergamot shawl. But it's 3 balls of this. And this is it their wool or merino? Superwash merino splash. So, it's one of their just regular sock yarns. Super duper excited about that. That will probably be... I have one other thing that I want to do immediately out of this kit. This will probably be the second thing I do out of this order. There is going to be crinkling because they do package everything in bags, which I love for the purpose of storage. So the next thing is the shawl here. And I, once again, got something very similar to the picture. I got a oatmeal heather color. They call it Flax Cloudboard Alpaca Highland Naturals. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I had fun. I'm just saying, I know there are issues with BluPrint right now. And I know there's lots of controversy rolling around with BluPrint right now. But I do have to say their deals, sales, and yarns are really good. And I enjoy their kits quite a bit. I'm not a huge kit person overall. I prefer to find something I like and just do it. This is the Cram Party. That's the kit, or the pattern. And this is the yarn for it. I don't know, you really aren't seeing how this is purple to gray to blue. It's the fade in this one is so even, it's kind of hard to see. You can see it more. Can you hold them together? See how that... there we go with that. And I got like the biggest size possible, so I think it's 9 balls in there, or 12 balls of yarn for that kit. Oof. I'm running out of floor space. This is just the Sprightly acrylic. And the pattern for this one is a star-shaped cabled Christmas tree skirt, which I think is really pretty. How pretty is that? And that matches my family room Christmas tree. I've been going with more of the peridot color green on that more traditional colored tree. So this one's a little bit more olivey than peridot-y, but it'll still offset, I think, on that tree really nicely as a tree skirt. We have, oh, this one, I'm just in love with the color that If you haven't noticed, I'm a color person. I'm hyper drawn to color. But there's the Jasmine cowl. Very, very simple, basic cowl. Not my normal go-to garment, as I have said before. However, that striping pattern with these colors, I mean, how gorgeous is that going to be? This is Saruna. It's a Menostil Uruguay yarn. It's baby alpaca and Pima cotton. I'm so excited about that. I am over the moon about that one. And that's 2 of each color in that bag. Ooh, Lord have mercy. It's going to take me forever cleaning here. And this is my last project in here. I've got, you can see the gray Sprightly down there. And you can see the colors of the balls right there. And this one is a poof. A poof. A poof, a poof, a poof. And the striping's created by using the variegated yarn, and yeah. So that is everything that's in that box. Like I said, it was about $100 for my whole order. Quite a bit of yarn. I mean, I'm just saying, it's like a 13-pound box of yarn. I still haven't beat Ross for the heaviest ball or box of yarn purchased yet, because I think his was like 35 on one of the premiere sales or something like that. But I'm getting up there. I'm getting up there with some of these. But yeah, that was a huge order that I placed. Everything is absolutely beautiful. I really have not been very disappointed with any of the Crafty BluPrint purchases I've made over the years. I've been very happy with the quality of the yarns that I have gotten that are their in-house lines. So I teased you on Instagram. If you're on my Facebook, you saw a picture of Pippin taking a nap on the top of it and claiming it all as his own. But I did want to take a second to show you exactly what I ordered from them. If you have any questions about the yarn or anything, please feel free to go to BluPrint. I'm just exhausted from talking. I know there are people in my family rolling their eyes saying, it never happens. But yeah, my throat is feeling a little bit dry now. I'm going to go ahead and make myself some lunch and head off for the week. This is my third video I filmed. Yeah. So I hope you guys take care. I love you. I will see you guys real soon. If for some reason you can't find information on the yarns or something, please let me know and I will try to reply to you as quickly as possible. Things like this are a little bit harder, but BluPrint has all the kits, so just go thumb through and see what they have. Take care, and I will talk to you guys real soon. Bye!